Good morning to everyone. Now 8 past 6. Basically I'm heading to pick up the car. Oh, some reason my car not starting. What's going on here? Finally started. Yeah, I'm going to head in pick up another car to do the MOT full service. Yeah, once I go there I'll show you how we going to collect the customer car. See you soon. Right, came to the place. Next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to contact the customer and pick up the key. Then after that I want to take all around the car pictures, because we don't know, sometime might be something happen from the customer or sometime might be happen from us while we do the process. We never know, because we need to do the transparency job. Because of that I'm going to take all around photos, and also I'm going to check engine bay oil level, coolant level, make sure it's roadworthy. Then after that I'm going to check the 4 tires and the brake, all lights working. Then take a dashboard photos, note it down the mileage. Then I am heading to our place. Yeah, this is our valuable service, because this customer went out. Basically I had to pick up the key under the carpet here. Yeah, got the key. Next step I'm going to take all around pictures. I got the all photos. I notice coolant little bit low. It doesn't matter because we are going to do the service. And engine oil very dark. This one also doesn't matter. All 4 tires good condition, and the 3 tires look like to me brand new. Now I'm going to start the car. Have a look, any warning light at the dashboard end. Right, only tire pressure light on. I notice they done the tires. We'll see what happened to the tire pressure monitoring system. And what's the mileage? That's a good question. What's the mileage? Finally found the how to find the trip mileage. Press this button, you can see. Yeah, when I press upward, yeah, right, okay, got the mileage 74,326. Note it down. Right, next step I'm going outside and check the all around the tires. First of all, you can see all good condition, brand new. Okay, I'm going to reset the tire pressure monitoring line. Could be while they do the tire something happen. If you have a Honda CRV, if you want to know how to reset the tire pressure monitoring light, I'll show you. I already done. You need to press this up arrow key and find out this menu. Once you see this menu, you need to press in this button. Once you press in, it's coming to here. Then again go with the up arrow key. Default setting, no. Language, change setting. Yeah, when you see this one, you have to press in. Then again after that you have to press initialize. You can make a confirm, but I'm going to cancel that one because I done it. Okay, then let's head into the garage. Right, safely came to the garage. Yeah, next step we are going to do the full service. Then after that we will take this one to the MOT. We got the parts, oil filter, air filter. Especially when you do the service, make sure use the correct grade, because this vehicle has a special oil 5W30 Eco FD. Yeah, I'm using Nepal brand. Yeah, when you do the thing, make sure using correct grade of the oil, otherwise it will affect it to the timing and it get more problem. And also when you top up the coolant, this vehicle has a look like to me green color coolant, but make sure always use the same color coolant. Here you can see it's green color coolant. Always use the correct color coolant, otherwise it will affect it to the hoses, o-rings. Sometimes it get leak. Yeah, we are doing the service now, and also the TPMS came back again. We found something not right with this sensor. We are going to change the sensor also well before the MOT. Yeah, done the service, all completed. Nice and shiny engine bay. Also done this nut shiny one, yeah, and also we done this TPMS sensor, all good, no warning light. Now we are ready for the MOT. Right, done the service, done the TPMS light, and done the MOT, all good. MOT pass, no problem at all, because we check car before the MOT, everything looks okay. Now next step, I will head into the customer and I need to hand over the car. Okay, once I go there, I'll come back to you. Right, again we came back to the drop-off place. Yeah, I'm going to park here, and again I will take all around the photos, then hand over the key to the customer at home now. Yeah, then see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, suggestion, comment section open for you. Thank you very much.